Well, they say Kerala is God's own country. And when you're traveling in Munnar, you feel you're in heaven. Welcome back to episode 4 of my Southern Escapade series as we explore southern part of India, all the beautiful mountains and hills. Djmahaneet, and you're watching my channel Mahaneet. You might have seen in my earlier series of Southern Escapade, we are doing this entire series of Southern Escapade on the all-electric ZS EV by MG. We started our journey from Kohli Hills, from there to Kodai, and now we are in Munnar. And today is just a chill out day as we explore Munnar. Being at Club Mahindra, which is nestled on top of the hill here in Munnar, at the edge of the hill, called Mount Serene. Check out the drone view as we explore around the surroundings of Club Mahindra and Munnar. Tuned for the Southern Escapade to well, look deep into nature, you'll understand everything better and you'll find all your answers. Nature is the best cure for everything. Well, do give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned for more of Southern Escapade. We did chill out in our resort here at Club Mahindra. We played a lot of games and then finally we decided to go out for some speedboat. Check this out. Adventurous trip. We're trying some speedboat here on Mattupetty. This is Mattupetty Dam here near Munnar. We're trying some speedboat. Well, we had one adventurous day here at Munnar in Kerala as we explored Mattupetty Dam near Munnar in Idukki District and did some boating. It was super fun. You should try it around if you're around Munnar. And it was almost dark. We went to the Eco Point, which is also another beautiful spot, and then headed back to our resort at Club Mahindra. If you like this short log of mine exploring Munnar and Mattupetty Dam and the Eco Point, it was super fun day. Tomorrow we are driving to Ooty, so stay tuned for the next log coming up very soon. Hope you're liking this entire series of Southern Escapade on the ZSEV. Leave your comments on the comment section below. Also give me a thumbs up if you do like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos, and follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Thank you for all the love you've been showing through all my videos. Looking forward to the next one. So until the next one, it's sayonara, adios and goodbye. Thank you once again for watching. Good night and goodbye.